How you can use Google Authenticator with your TikTok to enable two-factor authentication. It's a very simple process. You'll need two apps. So first of all, you need your TikTok and the Google Authenticator app. So let's begin. First, you'll have to open your TikTok. Once you launch your TikTok, you can come to your profile at the bottom right and then tap on these three dots, then go to Settings and Privacy. Once you open your Settings and Privacy, you can go to Security and Permissions, and here below the Manage Device you can see two-step verification. You just tap on it. Once you tap on your two-step verification, you can see there are many options here. So I'm going to use the Authenticator app, so I'm just going to disable all this and choose the Authenticator app and turn on the password. Now I'm just going to click on Turn On, then input your password. Once you enter your password, there will be a long key that will be shown to you and then a QR code. You won't need the QR code right now, so this key will be used right now. So you just tap on Copy Key and then click on Next. So you go to your Authenticator app now and log into your Google account. Then you can tap on Add Code, and the QR you can scan it from here, but I've just copied the key, so I'm just going to enter the key. First, I'm going to tap the account to save it as TikTok and enter the key and add. Now you can see it has generated a code, so I'm just going to long press on it and go to the Authenticator, the TikTok. And if I long press here, I can just paste the code and you're good to go. So now your two-step verification is turned on. And that's how you can easily turn on two-step verification on your TikTok using the Google Authenticator app.